Welcome back to the channel, guys. I finally was able to buy the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra clear case. Yes, this one here, clear case, Galaxy S24 Ultra. This year, this has been a funny ride so far. While we were able to get the phones, but the cases were not delivered. So I bought the phone almost like the next day I got it. Alright, maybe a few days after the official premiere, but I was not able to get the case. And in this video, I'm gonna compare the Galaxy S24 Ultra clear case with the Galaxy S23 Ultra clear case, which has been so far the best case I've been using on my S23 Ultra. So it's gonna be interesting to see how that case compares to the previous model, also given the fact that the S23 Ultra has a curved skin and the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a completely flat screen. So buckle up, sub for the channel, and let's start. First things first, it's time for us to unbox the Galaxy S24 Ultra clear case, and then of course, like I promised guys, we need to compare it with the Galaxy S23 Ultra case. So let's first see what we have inside. Ta-da! Slowly unveiling the S24 Ultra. So we have a case, that's correct. Inside, just the case guys, nothing else, right? Like absolutely nothing else. So this here is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra clear case, and right now it's time to relieve my phone from this one that I've been using. It's the Cellular Line Clear Strong case, which is actually not a bad case guys. It probably even will have more protection. See here, like absolute beast, right? And also, right, like a very nice lip. So even if you put your screen on the table, you are gonna get that sweet protection. But for me, that's too much bulk. So this is why I really fell in love in the first place with the S23 Ultra clear case. Because take a look at this guys, right? You might think it's the same, but it's not. So at the end of the day, this is just a bigger case. Also, I do have a feeling that this case is really lighter than this one. We're not gonna measure this right now. I just want to put the S24 Ultra in my new case and then compare it. But before I do so, guys, boom! This is my beloved S23 Ultra. I am going to remove the S23 Ultra clear case, like I promised in the video, to just give you that sweet comparison, because there are already indications that Samsung might have tried or attempted to cut the cost down on some of the cases. Like for example, the silicone case this year for the S24 series doesn't have this nice mesh inside. And guys, on the very first glance, I do believe that I can confirm that there are changes, not necessarily good changes. Take a look here guys, right? This is the case from the S23 Ultra, and by the way, some people are telling me that the case has some yellowish tint. It will of course have yellowish tint here where the buttons are, because I guess that's not plastic, it's rather light silicone whatsoever. But yeah guys, see, most of the other parts of the case are completely white, like they used to be when it was brand new. But let's now go back on the cost cutting. I might try even to zoom this here with the iPhone camera. So see here guys, there is a ring here, right? And I do believe that turning this ring, there is kind of like a metal fabric, right? Or at least it looks different. Why? Because here guys, see, this now is the S24 Ultra case, and if I turn it down, well, we can see that there is no ring. Here it is compared guys. This is the material that is used on the S24 Ultra, right? And it seems that Samsung kind of removed that one. So indeed, I do believe that also in this case, now we can observe that Samsung really went, yeah, the other way around. So, okay, it is what it is. This is how the cases look on top of each other, all right? Of course, they will be very, very similar, right? With the openings for the mic whatsoever. This is when you look at the side, so you can expect that these buttons will go yellow because they're using a softer material compared to the plastic. This is here, this other side, and this is what I mainly love, the fact that here there is this cutout. I know it doesn't protect your phone, but in the end of the day, it really gives a very, very much subtle look. So this here is the S23 Ultra. It will have to go there. All right, and this here is my S24 Ultra. Now for the first time I am also bringing the clear case to the S24 Ultra. And oh boy, this feels so familiar. I'm really very used to that feeling. I'm not saying you're gonna get the best protection, because if something touches the phone here, well, I think it's game over, right? But in the end of the day, I really feel the way it holds in the hand. Now let me just try to, oh, the buttons, guys, they are so tactile. They kind of sound the same, although those are brand new. Even the volume controls feel tiny bit better, and I'm just thinking this is probably because of the tear and wear. See here. So tactile, guys. And now it's time also to do a very short test on the weight. So titanium inside with the case, 262 grams. All right, 269. Okay, one more time. I think this was 262. So guys, it's gonna be something like, yeah, not so much, 6, 7, 8 grams. It's nothing really as big as a difference, but in the end of the day, it's still gonna be lighter. You have very nice cutouts for the S Pen, very accessible, by the way. Also, all these cutouts, guys, here for the USB-C, the microphone, the SIM card slot, the new speaker grill, because remember, this is the old one from the S23 Ultra. I really love this case. A lot of people are asking in my videos for the S23 Ultra, hey, what is the case VST that you're using? Well, guys, this is it. If you want to get a case like this is the Samsung clear case. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that these videos help you make some decisions. Thank you so much for the sub. If you decide to do so, stay safe, VST over, and bye.